Before you should test, you must remove the plastic tab. Now we are ready to test and learn the sounds of fire safety. Now we know that our alarm is in proper working condition. It's ready to be installed on our ceiling. Now remember, we should test these on a monthly basis. We also recommend that you change your battery every 6 months. A great time to do this is when daylight savings time begins and when daylight savings time ends.